In this aid, we will voice our actually own and market's perspective on RNDR future while talking about the render exceptionally token cost conjecture for 2023 and then some. Kindly remember that you ought to believe this and some other forecast tentatively, since foreseeing anything in a real sense is a difficult undertaking, not to mention anticipating the eventual fate of a novel, exceptionally unpredictable monetary resource like render token, or so they thought. Presently, we should head into it incredibly. Before we dig essentially profound into the render sort of token value expectation and answer questions on the off chance that RNDR is a wise venture or not. For what reason will RNDR succeed or come up short, or for what reason will deliver token value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what RNDR is and its to-date history. RNDR value expectation for the following 10 days. In every practical sense, entire crypto world in a real sense is on an edge of a total breakdown. Bitcoin has fallen 75% from its unequaled high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs. At the point when add the latest implosions of gigantic industry players into the situation, the horizon really is dim, and there will be by and large more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers are selling hazardous resources and moving into additional sort of stable business sectors. Crypto for the most part is as yet seen as an extremely dangerous play, and subsequently the auction in a significant manner. Our algo still sees a sum in every way that really matters, green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2023 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin's sort of requirements to find a base before we can move in the especially inverse bearing and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We truly have seen this situation many in every practical sense, times in the far off and later history. Our cost expectation model truly is negative for the following 90 days, with a smidgen of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to sort of wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a run-of-the-mill, an unexpected crypto spike, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Group made a cost forecast model with a complex way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and principal evaluation of each undertaking in an essentially significant manner. The essentials that we fundamentally assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, advertising endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative potential, and a few other pretty exclusive variables created in our crypto lab, as opposed to mainstream thinking. 2023 0210 plus 2.96% $1 90 2023 02 11 2.07% $1 81 2023 02 12 plus 1.36% $1 87 2023 02 13 plus 3.37% $1 91 2023 02 14 plus 0.86% $1 86 2023 02 15 plus 4.68% $1 93 2023 02 16 plus 1.19% $1 87 2023 02 17 plus 4.43% $1 93 2023 02 18 plus 1.15% $1 87 2023 02 19 1.26% $1 82 2023 02 20 plus 2.34% $1.89. Generally render token value expectation 2023 fundamentally high expansion and very perilous full-scale circumstance thought about vigorously. Bitcoin cost in 2022. At the point when we by and large take the interior crypto issues with enormous players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 isn't looking excessively truly great for the bulls. We will likely see a great deal of sort of exhausting sideways cost activity with an inclination to by and large slip lower with every minor market quake. Forecast model brings market feeling into a record and responds appropriately. Beneath certainly is a month-by-month breakdown of the truly last a long time of 2022 and 2023. 2023 blemish 17.87% $1.52. 2023 APRA 36.13% $1.18. 2023 May 29.65% $1.30. 2023 June 28.08% $1.33. 2023 July 17.75% $1.52. 2023 AUG 18.0 0.02% $1.51 2023 SEP 8.56% $1.69 2023 OCT 3.62% $1.78 2023 NOV plus 4.22% $1.92 2023 DEC plus 6.27% $1.96 2024 JAN plus 12.84% $2.08 2024 FEB plus 15.20% $2.13 RNDR value expectation 2025 and in an every way that really matters, significant way. Our forecast model sees RNDR coming to $3.76 in 2025. Render kind of symbolic value expectation 2030 to 2040. What render extremely token will explicitly be worth in 2030. Our estimating model sees render token coming to $0 in 2030. What render certainly token will be by and large worth in 2040, which generally is genuinely huge. Our determining model sees sincerely render token coming to $0 in 2040 in an unobtrusive manner. Will generally deliver pretty token supplant, for the most part outperform, by and large surpass Bitcoin. No, render token won't supplant or overwhelm BTC, or so they truly thought. Can deliver token reach $100 all things considered, in spite of mainstream thinking. No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for by and large render commonly token to in every practical sense reach $100 in the short or mid-term period in an unobtrusive manner. Can deliver most certainly token reach $1,000, which is genuinely critical. No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for in every way that really matters. Render especially token to reach $1,000 in the exceptionally short or mid-term period. How high will deliver really token go? Our gauging model sees render all things considered. Token cost crashing and dropping to approach zero in a separated future. Is render token worth purchasing, which is genuinely huge. We don't see a fundamentally brilliant future for render token. It merits purchasing just as a momentary hypothesis with a decent leave procedure. Render all things considered. Token is certainly not a decent long-haul hold, which truly is genuinely huge. Is basically render especially token a wise interest in an unobtrusive manner. Render genuinely token in every way that really matters. Is certainly not a wise interest as we would see it. Why, or so they really thought. Indeed, it faces a savage rivalry from genuinely other comparable crypto projects, doesn't stand apart with its innovation and development, doesn't have a veritable local area, and the group behind the task is problematic, which especially is genuinely huge. Will deliver kind of symbolic make you a tycoon. No, generally render in every way that really matters. Token might not make you a tycoon as we at any point in a real sense don't see it doing a 10x cost increment any time from here on out. How much will in a real sense render token be worth, essentially in spite of prevalent thinking? In the long haul, it will undoubtedly drop to zero or somewhere around there. For what reason will for the most part delivered token succeed and get more expensive? Or so they in every way that really matters? Thought. Render sort of token has a remote possibility of succeeding. It has no first mover advantage. It brings no truly extraordinary offer. It has a powerless group and little local area behind it. All of this summarized forestalls most certainly render commonly token to succeed and ascend in cost for the in every practical sense, long haul.